Naga College Foundation once began as a vision. Today, that vision lives on in every student who champions its legacy forward, remaining steadfast through the changing tides of time. In its 78th year, a siren will rise, striding with purpose. Here at NCF, sports is not merely defined as a leisure nor physical activity. For athletes, it is an extension of a dream that bridges their sport as a means to their academic pursuit. As a criminology student, I see sports as a proactive means to empower women by allowing them to have a strong sense of security and safety in society at any time of day, because strength knows no gender and every woman has the power to defend, to lead, and to inspire.
Empowered women empower women. As a child, I knew I was meant for something greater than myself. I had a vision of changing the world. But I am not a hero, and to change the world is not a one-woman duty. Yet, I am a woman of action. I ought to be in the front lines of radical change, creating ripples of collective movement. My reign will be over, but my legacy remains intact. As a defender of justice, I define a woman's world, a community that champions peace building, free from victimization and gender-based violence, actively uplifting the morale of women through self-defense.
I am Rina Aben, self-defense heroine from the College of Criminal Justice Education.
When I started playing sports, I thought it was all about winning, about being the best, the fastest, the strongest. But through time, I realized it's not just about the game. It's about what the game teaches us. Sports taught me how to stay calm when things get tough, how to trust my teammates, and how to get back up after a loss. In every match, I learned something deeper, that taking care of my mind is just as important as training my body. There are days when pressure gets heavy, when expectations, deadlines, and challenges starts to pile up. That's when I realized sports can be an outlet. Every time I move, run or play, I release the stress. I let go of the worries. I feel lighter. And that's the beauty of it. We don't just play to win, we play to connect, we play to heal. Because in the middle of competition, we find friendship, laughter, and unity. Sports remind us that mental health matters. That teamwork, discipline, and sportsmanship go hand in hand with emotional strength and balance. When we support each other on and off the court, we create a community where everyone feels safe, seen, and valued.
Through my advocacy in sports, I aim to inspire the youth to become active and disciplined. Because true winning isn't about winning the game. It's about uplifting others with passion and purpose. Once again, I am Dan Marcel Sac, proudly representing the College of Criminal Justice Education.
As I grew up, I used these slippers. And these slippers is a symbol of my humble beginnings.
It carried me through rough roads of doubts, moments I felt unseen, and battles I could only hear. Where learning is not about books, but about believing and inspiring. Here in Naga College Foundation, we build young individuals to take bold steps towards success, create innovation that becomes language of confidence, build citizens who will ignite the fire of voices that speak up, shape hearts with knowledge, courage, and love, turn imaginations into reality, and make the confidence the passport to the world. because of this journey, I learned that confidence is not just standing tall. It's rising again every time we fall. Find your people who will support and clap their hands for you. Surround yourself with positivity.
This is Naga College Foundation. Here, I learned that confidence isn't found, it is built.
Know that you are not just a woman.
Good evening. Tonight, we celebrate more than just athleticism. We celebrate 78 years of loyalty, spirit, and victory. Get ready to witness a spectacle of beauty, talent, and intellect as we search for the living embodiment of NCF spirit. Welcome to the NCF Mr. and Miss Intramurals 2025. Please rise for the Tiger's Prayer, the Philippine National Anthem, and the NCF Hymn.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Heavenly Father, toss our fears aside, let us be bold. In this journey of growth, we'll never fall. We give you glory for the future we now hold. Engage in our mission, compassion for education. We rally for your cause, Lord, champion of all champions. Send us out in your name to serve the people and the nation. Chase our dreams as we win each fight. Hold our heads high, we roar and soar with might. Afford us to with humility as we leap into the future. Mightily holding on to life like tiger champions clever. Praise and glory to you, O Lord, always and forever. Amen. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kayang magiliw, helas ng sinagalan, alam ng puso, sa dikit mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyang ka ng magiting, sa mandulupin, di ka pasisingin, sa nagatang tutok sa simoy at sa langit mong pagkaw, ay hinatang tulad, awit sa pagkayang minamahal, ang isang ng matawad mo'y tagumpay na nag-iindig, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pang ay di magtitingin. Luman ang araw ng warhabit pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Ang ligaya ng pagkay mga amin, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
You may now take your seats. And now, please welcome the NCF-Central Student Government, the Naga Collegian, and the college governors. Starting off with the Central Student Government, CSG President, Maui Balane, CSG Vice President, Nicole Rose Domingo, CSG Treasurer, Hill Brian Alonzo, CSG Business Manager 1, Christine Isabel Velasco, CSG Secretary, Jillian Sasha Mojica, CSG PRO, Ronel Langgam, CSG Auditor, Joshua Perico, and CSG Business Manager 2, Chris Maurice Asagra. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, your Central Student Government. And now, please welcome the Naga Collegian, Editor-in-Chief, Karen May Celso, Associate EIC and Head of Broadcast Media, Jan Marini Rodriguez, Managing Editor, Avril Amor de la Torre, Sports Editor, Lovely De Jesus, DevCom Editor, Maridel Oquialda, Features Editor, Maricar Nuiz, Literary Editor, Sharia Shika Al-Nakbi, Creative Director, Joshua Alano, Head Photojournalist, Arwin Nikos Marina, Online Content Editor, Robin John Pangilinan, and Public Relations Officer, Ron Capardo. Once again, the Naga Collegian. And now, please welcome your governors. Meryl Novello, College of Teacher Education. Kate Catherine De La Torre, College of Accountancy and Finance. Julius Christian Abe, College of Health Sciences. Catherine Arroyo, College of Criminal Justice Education. Jillian Magadia, College of Arts and Sciences. Baldur Adrian Aberos, College of Business and Management. Kurt Basti Tacorda, College of Computer Studies, and Mark Francis Saligan, College of Engineering. Once again, your college governors. Before we begin, let us first meet the people who will play a vital role in tonight's competition. Because the coronation night is never complete without a panel of experts. It's time to meet the distinguished individuals who bear the honorable task of selecting our new Tiger King and Queen. To begin, our introduction of tonight's distinguished Board of Judges. We proudly present a woman whose story reflects the true essence of grace, intelligence, and perseverance. A woman of passion and purpose, a proud graduate of the Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, where she earned her bachelor's degree in secondary education, major in English, and is now a licensed professional teacher, dedicated to shaping young minds and inspiring next generation. But beyond the four walls of classrooms, she is also a professional musician, harmonizing her love for the arts as a flute player of the renowned Bicol Philharmonic Orchestra. Her versatility further shines through her professional journey as a communications trainer and process delivery specialist, mastering both eloquence and excellence in every endeavor she takes. Her achievements in the world of pageantry mirror her inner strength and timeless elegance. She has graced numerous stages and emerged victorious as Tinagba Festival First Runner-Up 2023, Binibining Harana Festival First Runner-Up 2023, Miss Buswak Tumatarok 2025 Second Runner-Up, Miss Buhi 2025 First Runner-Up, Mutyan ng Kamuyan First Runner-Up, Miss Bato Tourism 2025, Mutyan ng Kamalig 2025, and Miss Capital Town 2025. Truly, she is a woman who embodies beauty with purpose, intellect with humility, and confidence with heart. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a resounding round of applause to our radiant and accomplished judge, Miss Lisa May Ojas General. A woman of vision, grace, and boundless creativity. She has built a remarkable career that beautifully bridges compassion, innovation, and style. An accomplished entrepreneur with over 2 decades of experience in New York's dazzling cultural landscape. She stands as the proud founder and CEO of Bev and Beyond OPC and BV Pharma, enterprises that reflect her unwavering dedication to excellence and empowerment. Rooted in strong foundation of care, she holds a bachelor's degree in nursing and has devoted years of service to healthcare field, touching lives with empathy and professionalism. Yet, her brilliance extends beyond medicine. She has graced the world of fashion as a freelance model, stylist, and personal shopper for distinguished clientele, blending excellence, artistry, and personal expression into every endeavor. She's a former volleyball varsity player in 1999 to 2001 and basketball varsity of the Universidad de Santa Isabel. A passionate advocate for community upliftment, she remains actively involved in New York-based organizations that champion the marginalized and celebrate diversity. Her life is a radiant testament to perseverance, creativity, and transformative power of purpose. With grace in her heart and excellence in her every pursuit, she is Miss Beverly Villafuerte. And gracing our panel tonight is a woman whose journey radiates beauty, brilliance, and boundless determination. She has proven that success is not defined by a single crown, but by the many lives she continues to inspire. Her remarkable pageant journey began at the young age when she was hailed Munting Mutya ng Bicolandia 2008, a title that marked the start of her shining legacy. From then on, she has captivated audiences across Bicol and beyond, earning numerous titles such as Miss UNC High School 2016, Miss Camaligan 2017, Miss Patotourism 2018, LCC Miss Summer Capital 2018, Binibining Alinsangan Rinconada 2019, Miss Teen Philippines Bicol 2020, Mutya ng Ibalong 2025 second runner-up, Miss Moragat Festival Queen 2025, and the prestigious Miss Camarines Sur 2025. But beyond the crown and spotlight shines a woman of wisdom and purpose. In 2024, she graduated summa cum laude with a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English, became a licensed professional teacher, and now continues to share her gift of communication as an ESL teacher. Her thirst for knowledge never ends, as she is now pursuing her Master's of Arts in English, a true testament to her dedication to learning and leadership. A queen, not only of beauty, but of substance, inspiring others to dream big, work hard, and remain humble in triumph. Ladies and gentlemen, let us honor the brilliance, beauty, and heart of our distinguished judge, Miss Jemina Nicole Cordial. And tonight, the stage comes alive with energy, confidence, and tiger pride. let us all witness 8 remarkable gentlemen vying for the title of Mr. Intramurals and 8 stunning ladies competing for the crown of Miss Intramurals, representing the 8 dynamic colleges of Naga College Foundation. Together with the champion NCF Pep Squad, they will kick off tonight's celebration of beauty, brains, and athletic spirit in a spectacular production number that showcases the pride of the home of the champions. So sit back, cheer loud, and get ready to feel the beat as we present the candidates for Mr. and Miss Intramurals 2025.
Good evening, everyone. Last year, we owned this stage with pride, passion, and sportsmanship.
And tonight, it's their turn to shine. Get ready to meet the next generation of pride and power. Our 16 stunning and talented candidates for the Mr. and Miss Intramurals 2025. Let the competition begin and may the true champions rise.
Mula sa bulwagan ng walang kasing galing at walang kasing sarap. This is Julie Cabaltera-Licuanan from the College of Arts and Sciences!
My name is Angelo Prestosa Enciso from the home of the Paragons, College of Accountancy and Finance!
This is Luisan Villanueva de los Santos, representing the home of the Paragons, College of Accountancy and Finance.
Mabuhay! This is Carlo J. Vargas Ayo, representing the backbone of our profession, College of Teacher Education!
This is Rina Abing from the College of Criminal Justice Education!
My name is Sean Preston Labay Sahata from the Pillars of Healthcare from the College of Health Sciences.
I am Althea Timanaog, proudly representing College of Engineering!
I'm Mr. Zion Andre Cedro Albandia, representing Engineering.
This is Simonette Cano Lopez, representing the College of Business and Management!
Dan Marcel Sack, representing the College of Criminal Justice Education.
College of Computer Studies!
Carl Vincent Cafe Soaya from the College of Innovation, the Escalation College of Computer Studies.
This is Ashley Sophia Cancela Palayor from the College of Health Sciences!
Mic test 1, 2, 3. I am Chris Owen Guerrero Trinidad, and tonight I am ready to change the game from the College of Arts and Sciences.
Hello, mabuhay! I am Divine Franz Idalia Hernandez, proudly representing the College of Teacher Education!
Rihal Carlton, College of Business and Management.
Ganda ng iyong ngiti, akin ang napapansin. Sugatan na puso'y kuwasan kong magaling. Handa na bang lisanin mabigat na bibig? Magaan ng buhay, wag problemahin. Napagalis akong gabay mo. Hawak-hawak ang kamay mo hanggang dulo.
And now, let us welcome your host, the business manager of the Central Student Government of Naga College Foundation, a student leader known for his dedication and passion in every campus event. Please welcome Mr. Chris Maurice Asagra.
A spectacular evening, NCF! Tonight is the night. We will now crown the new Mr. and Miss Intramurals 2025. And now, joining me tonight is a woman who embodies beauty, grace, and confidence. She is the reigning Miss Calabanga 2025 first runner-up. She is the Miss Kamuyan Pinsaksi 2025 and Dagayon Bombon 2025. A true queen in every sense of the word. The stunning and captivating Miss Alexandra Mayaris.
A thunderous good evening, NCF Tigers! Wow, the spirit is electric. And the stage is set for a night of fierce competition. Hi, partner.
And now, let's check the energy of our audiences. But before that, candidates, you may now proceed to the backstage. Ayan, when I say Tigers, you say roar. Tigers! Tigers! And now, let's check kung energetic pa ba ang ating mga students from the different departments.
Nandito pa ang College of Arts Sciences.
How about the College of Accountancy and Finance?
Wow. And of course, magpapatalo ba ang College of Criminal Justice Education?
Hindi magpapatalo ang College of Engineering.
How about you, College of Business and Management?
Nasa naman ang College of Computer Studies.
Let's hear it from you, College of Health Sciences.
And last but not the least, let's hear the loudest roar of the College of Teachers Education. So Alexandra, how does it feel that you're on the stage of the home of the champions right now?
You know what, partner? I feel absolutely amazing. And this is my first time hosting a pageant. And I'm really glad that I get to do it here at the home of the champions. So thank you so much, NCF, for having me.
Actually, Alexandra, it is also my first time hosting a pageant like this. However, we are absolutely thrilled to be your guides on this journey to crown the new Mr. and Miss Intramurals 2025. This celebration, 78 years strong, bound by loyalty, driven by victory, truly captures the essence of our Tiger community.
And now, to formally open this event and to ignite our intramural spirit, ladies and gentlemen, let us all give our warmest welcome to the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Nora Maniquez, as she delivers her inspiring welcome message.
Let's give her a big round of applause.
Hello, can you hear me? Okay. I'm Dr. Nora Elizabeth Maniquez, your Vice President for Academic Affairs. Kunyari, nasa pageant din ako. Anyway, I know you're all excited because this is a very important event in the college intramurals. And in advance, I would like to congratulate, even before this program ends, the organizers, of course, led by our Vice President for Sports, Culture, and the Arts, Dr. Nelba Olaso. Let's give her a big hand, please. Mas malakas pa dyan? Okay. And then our Central Student Government, the Naga Collegian, our college governors, their advisors, the deans, program heads, faculty, students who are here, our distinguished board of judges, thank you for gracing our event tonight. I know that we are all excited to know who will be the winner, right? But beyond that, let us remember that this event is not just because of the beauty or the physique or who is the most beautiful or the handsomest or who is the person with the best sports attire, the best person who gave the keenest answer in the Q&A portion. But beyond this competition, let us feel that this is an event that we want students to know that we are championing your way. That is our promise to our students. We champion your way because this is an activity that builds your grit, your resilience, your discipline, and your appreciation for events like this beyond artificial intelligence, right? With AI, our tendency is just to browse over our cell phones, our laptops, but with this kind of event, here we all of us are here enjoying the activity and being one and united. And so this is the humanistic side of the development for students that we would like to give. I will not anymore give a very long message. I would just like to say, let us all enjoy the event, and I know that you all want to be winners, but of course in every competition there will always be the best. But even if you will not win the Mr. and Miss Intrams, still you are all winners. So again, welcome and congratulations to all.
Thank you to our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Nora F. Maniquez, for that truly inspiring message.
And to guide our esteemed judges and enlighten our audience, here are tonight's criteria for judging. This is the blueprint for our candidates' journey tonight.
Before we witness our candidates shine on stage, let us first present the criteria that will guide our distinguished board of judges in selecting this year's Mr. and Miss Intramurals 2025.
For the production number, The judges will look for confidence, grace, and overall star quality of the following criteria. Performance, 30%. Poise and bearing, 30%. Stage presence, 30%. And overall impact, 10%, with a total of 100%.
For the sportswear, school uniform, and the formal wear competitions, our candidates will be judged based on the followings. Beauty of the face, 25%. Poise and projection, 25%. Carriage and bearing, 25%. And stage presence, 25%, with a total of 100%.
For the preliminary question and answer portion, the true measure of wit and intelligence will shine through with the following criteria. Articulation, diction, and grammar, 30%. Delivery and choice of words, 30%. And relevance, content, wit, and impact, 40%, with a total of 100%.
For the final question and answer portion, which carries a total of 20%, our finalists will be judged on the same standards of eloquence and substance. Articulation, diction, and grammar, 30%. Delivery and choice of words, 30%. And relevance, wit, and impact, 40%, with a total of 100%.
And finally, for the top 3 selection of Mr. and Miss Interims 2025, the judges will carefully evaluate the candidates based on beauty of the face, 30%, beauty of the figure, 30%, and stage presence, 20%. Each score reflects not only outer beauty, but also the confidence, intellect, and character that make a true Mr. and Miss Interims 2025.
Also, a massive thanks to our administrators and school admins for the belief in the NCN spirit. However, this event wouldn't be possible without the following sponsors. For our diamond sponsors, we have OMANA Premium Wellness and Beauty Lunch Plus Cafe and Espresso Victoria. For our gold sponsors, we have Mar George, Drip Cafe, Angkol Arvz, Soy Satay, Cafeza, N&N Food, Fruitaka, Pyra, Lemon & Co, Momshie Shawarma.
We would also like to give thanks to Eds Beads Shop, CODEBOX, Hanabi, Sunrise Marketing, Kafein Sushi, Melai Castaneda House of Couture, and Fernando Flower Shop.
This event would also not be possible without our hardworking organizers. We have Ms. Julia Arcangel, the production head, and our CSG officers and volunteers.
Thank you for your belief in the NCN spirit. And now it's time to showcase the discipline, pride, and distinction of an NCF student. Let's witness how impeccably our candidates wear the symbol of our NCN identities. Ladies and gentlemen, our Mr. and Miss Interims 2025 candidates in their school uniforms.
Simoy ng hangin, puno dagat at ang buhangin. Lahat ng yan naging payak na marinig ang tinig mo. Lapit, usap at nangyayain, isang buong araw kang naging akin. Tangi lang nagtitiyak mula nooy nabihag mo. I think about you day and night, on a gunahuna ko ni mo. Girl, you're always on my mind. I think about you, adlaw gabi. Pabalik-balik kung saan mo ko unang nakawit. Tanging nais ko lang ay muling
aking matay muling naakit. Naroon pala naghihintay, ako'y muling nabihag mo. I think about you day and night. Oh, nagunahon ako ni mo. Girl, you're always on my mind. I think about you, alugabi, alugabi. Day and night, giving up ayaw ko ni mo. Girl, I need you by my side. Girl, I miss ya, alugabi, alugabi. Sa sunod ang mag-uban, iignan ka, I wanna be more than your friend. Kaya sulod sa kong dughan, dahil ikaw ra to the end.
Masindihay, ikaw nang hinahanap ko. Masindihay, pusong isip ko ay hawak mo. Masindihay, lahat ay gagawin para sa'yo. Teka, ba't nga ba ako nagkakaganto? Unang kita ko palang bigla na akong nahulog, tas kinabukasan unti-unti na akong nalulunod. Dapat yata magising na ako dito sa aking bangungot, pero ay, porbida.
I think about you day and night. Oh, nagunahon ako ni mo. Girl, you're always on my mind. I think about you, alugabi, alugabi.
Day and night, giving up ayaw ko ni mo. Girl, I need you by my side. Girl, I miss ya, alugabi, alugabi. Alugabi, alugabi. Alugabi, alugabi. Alugabi, alugabi. Alugabi, alugabi.
Araw, ulap, simoy ng hangin, punog, dagat at ang buhangin. Lahat ng yan naging payak na marinig ang tinig mo. Lapit, usap at nangyayain, isang buong araw kang naging akin. Tangil lang nagtitiyak, mula na ako'y nabihag mo. I think about you day and night. Oh, nagunahon ako ni mo. Girl, you're always on my mind. I think about you, alugabi, alugabi. Day and night, giving up ayaw ko ni mo. Girl, I need you by my side. Girl, I miss ya, alugabi, alugabi. Araw-araw pabalik-balik, kung saan mo ko unang nakawit. Tanging nais ko lang ay muling marinig ang tinig mo. Nung sa pampang ay napalapit, aking matay muling naakit. Naroon pala naghihintay, ako'y muling nabihag mo. I think about you day and night. Oh, nagunahon ako ni mo. Girl, you're always on my mind. I think about you, alugabi, alugabi. Day and night, giving up ayaw ko ni mo. Girl, I need you by my side. Girl, I miss ya, alugabi, alugabi. Sa sunod ang mag-uban, iignan ka, I wanna be more than your friend. Kaya sulod sa kong dughan, dahil ikaw ra to the end.
Masindihay, ikaw nang hinahanap ko. Masindihay, pusong isip ko ay hawak mo. Masindihay, lahat ay gagawin para sa'yo. Teka, ba't nga ba ako nagkakaganto?
Unang kita ko palang bigla na akong nahulog, tas kinabukasan unti-unti na akong nalulunod. Dapat yata magising na ako dito sa aking bangungot, pero ay, porbida. I think about you day and night. Oh, nagunahon ako ni mo. Girl, you're always on my mind. I think about you, alugabi, alugabi.
And night, giving up ayaw ko ni mo. Girl, I need you by my side. Girl, I miss ya, alugabi, alugabi.
Araw, ulap, simoy ng hangin, puno, dagat at ang buhangin. Lahat ng yan naging payak na marinig ang tinig mo. Lapit, usap at nangyayain, isang buong araw kang naging akin. Tangi lang nagtitiyak mula nooy nabihag mo. I think about you day and night, on a guna-guna ko ni mo. Girl, you're always on my mind. I think about you, adlaw gabi day and night. Dreaming of kaya mo ni mo. Girl, I need you by my side. Girl, I miss ya, adlaw gabi. Araw-araw pabalik-balik, kung saan mo ko unang nakawit. Tanging nais ko lang ay muling marinig ang tinig mo.
And now, this segment demands confidence and wellness, because our kings and queens are not just competitors, they are athletes. It's time to heat up the stage with this year's swimwear competition.
Starting off with College of Arts and Sciences.
She is Miss Jolie Reyes Juliquanes, first year Bachelor of Arts and Sciences student. Battle statistics 37, 29, 38, motor, it's the one who is the black color, hobbies are reading books, watching TED Talks, debates, writing calligraphy, designing recyclable gowns, creating recyclable products, singing and dancing. College of Arts and Sciences.
College of Accountancy and Finance.
Miss Clarice Ann Villanueva de los Santos, a fourth-year Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management. Vital statistics 30, 24, 32. Motto: the best way to predict your future is to create it. Hobbies are reading, journaling, singing, playing Scrabble, modeling, and fashion designing. College of Accountancy and Finance.
Don't walk away, my margarita. Oh, my margarita. Don't walk away, my margarita. Oh, my margarita. You got it, girl, you really got it. It's only you, I want it. Oh, sweet margarita. My head is spinning for you, señorita. I go loco over you. Margarita, you got me crazy for you. Don't walk away, my margarita. Oh, my margarita. Don't walk away, my margarita.
College of Criminal Justice Education.
Christina Marie Aben, fourth-year Bachelor of Science in Criminology. Vital statistics 32, 24, 32. Motto: those who have less in life should have more in law. Hobbies are introspecting, journaling, public speaking, and debating. College of Criminal Justice Education.
Like a star. You got it, girl, you really got it. It's only you, I want it. Girl, you taste so sweet, just like a sweet margarita. My head is spinning for you, señorita. I go loco over you. Margarita, you got me crazy for you. Don't walk away, my margarita. Oh, my margarita. This is a dream. I don't wanna wake up. Girl, I can't believe you're real. It's like you're made up. You're all I need, and you're my favorite. I treat you like the queen you are.
College of Engineering.
Miss Althea T. Manaug, first year Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering, Vital Statistics, 33, 26, 34. Motto, limits only exist in your mind. Hobbies are painting, playing badminton, and listening to music. College of Engineering.
College of Business and Management.
Miss Simonette Cano Lopez, fourth year Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, Vital Statistics, 34, 26, 36. Motto, fall 7 times, get up 8. Hobbies are dressmaking, cooking, baking, reading, journaling, and going to the gym. College of Business and Management.
You're beautiful like a star. You got it, girl, you really got it, it's only you. I want it, girl, you taste so sweet, just like a sweet margarita. My head is spinning for you, señorita. I go loco over you, margarita. You got me crazy for you. Oh, don't walk away, my margarita.
College of Computer Studies.
Miss Julian Francine M. Olivan, first year Bachelor of Science and Information Technology, Vital Statistics, 32, 27, 35. Motto, everything happens for a reason. Hobbies are singing, dancing, and swimming. College of Computer Studies.
Don't walk away, my margarita. Oh, my margarita. Don't walk away, my margarita. Oh, my margarita. You got it, girl, you really got it, it's only you. I want it. Oh, sweet margarita. My head is spinning for you, señorita. I go loco.
College of Health Sciences.
Don't walk away, my margarita. Oh, my margarita.
Ashley Sofia Cancela Palayor, third year Bachelor of Science in Nursing, Vital Statistics, 31, 24, 34. Motto, the greatest battle we face is within our minds, so choose to win it every day. Hobbies are baking, drawing, dancing, singing, playing instruments, volunteering in community works, and watching medical documentaries. College of Health Sciences.
Señorita, I go loco over you. Margarita, you got me crazy for you. Oh, don't walk away, my margarita. Oh, my margarita. This is a dream. I don't wanna wake up. Girl, I can't believe you're real. It's like you're made up. You're all I need. And you're my favorite. I treat you like the queen you are. Don't have to say much.
College of Teacher Education.
Divine Franz Idalia Hernandez, first year Bachelor of Elementary Education, Vital Statistics, 31, 26, 26. Motto in life, risk is better than regret. Hobbies are playing outdoor games, watching K-drama, and reading books. College of Teacher Education.
And now, please welcome your Mr. Insurance candidates in swimwear. Starting off with College of Accountancy and Finance.
Angelo Prestosa Enciso, fourth year Bachelor in Science and Accounting Information System. Hobbies are photography, video editing, and online games. Motto, change begins when you decide to try. College of Accountancy and Finance.
Mapakita na darama. Oh, you got me burning up tonight. Baby, you light my fire. You're taking me so high. You got me burning up so right. You make the stars collide. I'll take you for a ride. I'm burning up, I'm burning up.
College of Teacher Education.
Tuwa'y panaginip mo lang. Nais nang masabi yung malapitan. Sa isip lang,
Carlo J. Vargas Eo, third year Bachelor of Physical Education. Hobbies are playing taekwondo, playing e-sport, dancing, singing, acting, rapping, pageantry, writing poetry, watching movies, playing outdoor games, and communicating with other people. Motto, there are no shortcuts to any place worth going. College of Teacher Education.
I'll take you for a ride. I'm burning up, I'm burning up. Burning up, burn up, burning up. I'm burning up tonight. Baby, you light my fire. You're taking me so high. You got me burning up so
College of Health Sciences.
stars collide. I'll take you for a ride. I'm burning up, I'm burning up.
Sean Christian Labay Sahota, second year Bachelor of Science in Medical Laboratory Science. Hobbies are playing ukulele, listening to music, writing, walking, and writing calligraphy. Motto, speak your mind even if your voice shakes. College of Health Sciences.
Oh, you got me burning up tonight. Baby, you light my fire. You're taking me so high. You got me burning up so right. You make the stars collide. I'll take you for a ride. I'm burning up, I'm burning up. Parang nabasisimulan. Tuwa'y panaginip na lang. Nais nang masabi yung malam.
College of Engineering.
Sa isip lang, gumugulo. Ikaw nagpapakalma. Mayroong bumubulo.
Zion Andre Xavier L. Bandia, second year Civil Engineering student. Hobbies are basketball, driving course, and motorcycles. Motto: no such thing as a life that's better than yours. College of Engineering.
College of Criminal Justice Education.
Dan Marcel Gadik-Sak, second year Bachelor of Science in Criminology. Hobbies are playing basketball, playing video games, and watching documentaries. Motto: never stop showing up for yourself. College of Criminal Justice Education.
Oh, you got me burning up tonight. Baby, you light my fire. You're taking me so high. You got me burning up so right. You make the stars.
College of Computer Studies.
Carl Vincent Kafein, third year Bachelor in Science and Computer Science. Hobbies are arts, volleyball, programming, and journalism. Motto: and those who were seen dancing were thought to be insane by those who could not hear the music. College of Computer Studies.
Mapakita na darama. Oh, you got me burning up tonight. Baby, you light my fire. You're taking me so high. You got me burning up so right. You make the stars collide. I'll take you for a ride.
College of Arts and Sciences.
Chris Owen Guerrero Trinidad, first year Bachelor of Arts and Communication. Hobbies are playing volleyball, editing, designing clothes, public speaking, news reporting, cooking, pageantry, and playing mobile games. Motto: if I can, you can. College of Arts and Sciences.
Oh, you got me burning up tonight. Baby, you light my fire. You're taking me so high. You got me burning up so right. You make the stars collide. I'll take you for a ride.
College of Business and Management.
Raul Carlton, first year Hospitality Management student. Hobbies are going to the gym, online games, soccer, and basketball. Motto: think like a proton, always positive. College of Business and Management.
Makahingi ng isang sandali. Mapakita na darama. Oh, you got me burning up tonight. Baby, you light my fire. You're taking me so high. You got me burning up so right. You make the stars collide. I'll take you for a ride.
burning up, burn out. Up, burning up, I'm burning up tonight. Baby, you light my fire, you're taking me so high. You got me burning up so right. You make the stars collide, I'll take you for a ride. I'm burning up, I'm burning up.
Wow, what a show! Ain't that right, Tigers? Wala na? Tulog na?
Ayan, wala bang palakpakan?
Ayun, gising pa naman pala. You know what, partner? In beauty pageants, my favorite segment is actually the swimwear competition because this is where I feel the most beautiful and confident about myself and my body. Kaya, while I was watching them, I said, parang gusto kong sumali, pero bawal. So, mag-host na lang ako.
At katulad mo rin, naniniwala ako na yan rin ang pinakagusto ng ating mga audience. Tama ba? Tamang-tama. Kaya naman,
before the competition tightens, let's recognize the candidates who have impressed our partners and sponsors with their charm and charisma.
A total of 16 sponsors are gonna award our choice for the Mr. and Miss Intramurals 2025. And the results is now in our hands. And for our first corporate award, for the Mr. Drip Cafe, we have candidate number 8. To award the Mr. Drip Cafe, we have the owner of the Drip Cafe herself. We are now calling the attention of our sponsors to please fall in line on the side of our stage. Again, we are calling the attention of our sponsors to please fall in line on the side of our stage. To award the Mr. Drip Cafe, we have the Business Manager 1 of the Central Student Government, Ms. Christine Velasco.
And for our Miss Drip Cafe, our Miss Cafe is candidate number 1.
Candidates, your prizes will be kept at the Central Student Government Office. Miss Drip Cafe is awarded by our Central Student Government Business Manager, Christine Velasco. And for our next corporate award is Angkol Arvz Choice Award to be awarded by the 2010 Big City Boy, Bicolandia, and the owner himself of the Angkol Arvz, we have candidate number. Our Miss Angkol Arvz Choice Award is candidate number 8. Awarding the award is the owner of Angkol Arvz, Mr. Arvin Lucas.
And our Miss Angkol Arvz is candidate number 5.
Again, to award the corporate award, we have the owner of the Angkol Arvz. Next award is N&N Food Center. And our N&N Food Center is candidate for the male category. We have candidate number 5. To award the N&N Food Choice Award, we have the President of the Central Student Government, Miss Maui Balane.
And for our Miss N&N Food Center, it's you, candidate number 6.
To award the N&N Food Center male category, we have the Treasurer of the Central Student Government, Brian Alonzo. And for our Mr. Lemon and Co. For our Mr. Lemon and Co, we have candidate number, for male category, we have candidate number 2. To award Mr. Lemon & Co, we have the staff of the Lemon & Co.
And for our Miss Lemon & Co, it's you, candidate number 1.
Our candidates will receive a respected monetary prizes and gift certificates from our sponsors. Our candidates will get their prizes at the Central Student Government Office. For our next corporate award, we have Mr. Momshie Shawarma. Our Mr. Momshie Shawarma is candidate number 8. To award by Miss Sherry Aborendo.
And for our Miss Momshie Shawarma, it's you, candidate number 2.
So award by the owner herself, Miss Sherry Aborendo. our next award is Mr. Eds Beads Shop and Company. Our Mr. Eds Beads Shop is candidate number 8. Is the owner herself, Miss Ed.
And for our Miss Eds Beads Shop is candidate number 5.
And for our next award, we have the Mr. Hanabi Cafe. Our Mr. Hanabi Cafe is candidate number Sino? Candidate number 8. So award to Mr. Hanabi, we have the Central Student Government President, Ms. Maui Balani.
For our Miss Hanabi, it's you, candidate number Sino? It's you, candidate number 8.
Award, the corporate award, we have the Central Student Government Vice President, Miss Nicole Domingo. Our next award is Miss Mar George Choice Award. Mr. Our Mr. Mar George is candidate number Sino? Candidate number 2.
And for our Miss Margeorge is you, candidate number 6.
This corporate award is chosen by our partners and sponsors. Our next award is Mr. Soy Satay Cafe. Our Mr. Soy Satay Cafe is candidate number 8. We have the honor of Soy Satay Award.
And for our Miss Soy Satay Cafe is candidate number 8.
Our next award is Mr. Fruitaka. Our Mr. Fruitaka is candidate number 8.
And for our Miss Fruitaka, it's you, candidate number 5.
Again, our corporate award is chosen by our sponsors and partners. Our next award is Mr. Cafeza. Our Mr. Cafeza is candidate number 5.
And for our Miss Cafeza, it's you again, candidate number 5.
Again, this is chosen by us. Our next award is Mr. Pyra. Our Mr. Pyra is candidate number 5.
And for our Miss Pyra, it's you, candidate number 6.
Our next award is Mr. CODEBOX. Mr. CODEBOX is candidate number, sino kaya? It's you again, candidate number 8.
And for our Miss CODEBOX, candidate number 8.
Our next award is Mr. Kafein. Our Mr. Kafein is candidate number. It's you, candidate number 2.
And for our Miss Kafein, it's you, candidate number 6.
We have our last 2 corporate awards, the Diamond sponsors. May we invite the owner of OMANA in front. Again, may we invite the owner of OMANA Cafe in front. OMANA Cafe is our Diamond sponsor. our Mr. and Miss OMANA will receive a 5,000 worth of glam on OMANA Lounge. Our Mr. OMANA is candidate number... Sino kaya? It's you, candidate number 8. Sino ba awarded by the OMANA owner?
And for our Miss OMANA, it's you, candidate number 6.
May we now call in front the owner of Espresso Victoria. Espresso Victoria is one of our diamond sponsors. The winners of Mr. and Miss Espresso Victoria will receive a 2,500 worth of Espresso Victoria products. Our Mr. Espresso Victoria is candidate number... It is you, candidate number 5.
Espresso Victoria. It's you, candidate number 2.
And that was our corporate award for this year's Mr. and Miss Intramurals 2025. Candidates, you may now proceed at the stage for the photo opportunity.
Congratulations to our first set of winners. The runway is not the only stage tonight. It's time to test our Tigers' wit and grace under pressure. May I ask the male candidates to go backstage? We will first start off with our female candidates. May I request everyone to maintain silence while our candidates are answering the questions. Again, may I request everyone to maintain silence while the candidates are answering the question.
For the preliminary question and answer portion, we will be joined by the reigning Miss Intramurals 2024. Let us all again welcome our reigning Miss Intramurals 2024. A round of applause.
May we call in our first candidate? Candidate number 1 from the College of Arts and Sciences. Good evening, candidate number 1. How are you feeling today?
Well, I'm feeling grateful because I have a lot of supporters out there. Thank you very much po, and yeah, I'm excited.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Kindly pick a question. I will only be reading the question twice. question is, what is your personal definition of success as a champion? Again, what is your personal definition of success as a champion?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I believe that the best description or meaning for success for me as a champion is not only focusing on medals, certificates, awards, but it also prioritizes the learnings from the experiences. Because these learnings not only measure all your capabilities, but also help you to be better for your next future competitions. And my success is not just having the crown, if ever tonight, but also having my fellow candidates out there for sharing this wonderful stage with them. Having a success is not just winning. It's also about learning and having a relationship with everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 1. That was a well thought out answer. Now let's move on to our next candidate. Candidate number 2 from the College of Accountancy and Finance. Good evening, candidate number 2. How are you feeling tonight?
I am feeling very honored to be here, and I want to take this opportunity to thank my CAF community for being here. Hello.
You have a lot of supporters. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Kindly pick a question. Your question is, how can you encourage your fellow students to embrace the home of the champions mindset? Again, how can you encourage your fellow students to embrace the home of the champions mindset?
I will encourage my fellow NCNs not by telling them to strive, but showing them how. And that is by upholding the values of discipline, of resilience, and of perseverance. Because I believe if a leader like me will have the passion and the purpose to motivate my co-NCNs, and then I will create a ripple effect for them to strive for excellence. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 2. That was a great answer. Job well done, candidate number 2. Now, may we call on our next candidate, candidate number 3, from the College of Criminal Justice Education. Good evening, candidate number 3.
Hello, good evening, Alex.
How are you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling wonderful.
Are you ready?
Definitely I am.
Can you pick a question? Your question is, in your opinion, what qualities make a person a true champion? Again, in your opinion, what qualities make a person a true champion?
I'm a firm believer that a true champion is not defined because of the idea that they have never felt what it feels to lose, but rather a true champion is a champion of reason. And that's exactly the reason why I am standing right in front of you tonight. I am a champion of reason, and I am a champion of action. With this, I believe that as a woman, my greatest quality is my femininity. And that is something that I would bring in my legacy if I were to take home the crown tonight. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you, candidate number 3.
I'm ready.
Kindly pick a question. Your question is, what makes our school deserving to be called the home of the champions? Again, what makes our school deserving to be called the home of the champions?
I believe that our school deserves to be called the home of the champion because it does not only teach the students
to be champion in sports and academics, but it also teaches students to be champion in all aspects in life. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 4. May we call on our next candidate, candidate number 5 from the College of Business and Management. Good evening, candidate number 5.
Good evening, everyone.
You want to say something to your supporters tonight?
Hello.
Ang dami mong supporters. Are you ready?
I am.
Kindly pick a question. Your question is, in one sentence, describe how you embody the spirit of the home of the champions. Again, in one sentence, describe how you embody the spirit of the home of the champions.
I embody the spirit of the home of the champions because I fall, but I never give up. Ladies and gentlemen, I've been here for an NCF for over 7 years now, and this very stage have seen my first walk in pageantry and modeling. And it also showed me how it feels to win and to lose, but it never bothered me. I never gave up, and so I am here right now, empowered because I am guided with my advisors and empowered my fellow students and my co-student council. And because the NCF taught me that to be of good service in light of the truth, and because I can confidently embody excellence through quality, excellence, service, and truth. Thank you.
Job well done, candidate number 5. May we call on our next candidate, candidate number 6 from the College of Computer Studies. You are so beautiful, candidate number 6.
Thank you so much.
Do you want to say something to your supporters?
Thank you for being here for my family and friends and my classmates. Thank you.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Kelly, pick a question. Your question is, how can a true champion remain humble despite all achievements? Again, how can a true champion remain humble despite all achievements?
I believe a true champion can still remain humble despite of all his achievement by always remembering where he came for, and he should be thankful for those people who supported him through his journey, because I believe that it is important to embody our values, which is equality, excellence, service, and truth, in order to be a champion. Quality in our work, excellence in everything that we do, service in other people, and being true to ourselves. Thank you and good evening.
Good job, candidate number 6. Now, let's hear from our next candidate, candidate number 7 from the College of Health Sciences. Good evening, candidate number 7. I've noticed you have a lot of supporters.
Yes, I know.
Do you want to say something to them?
Well, of course, I would like to extend my gratitude. I would like to say thank you to my department, especially to our dean and the faculty of the College of Health and Sciences. Also to my supporters out there and my family. I don't know where they are, but I hope I am making you proud, and thank you so much.
Are you ready?
I guess so.
Kindly pick a question. Your question is, how does being part of the home of the champions inspire you to do your best in everything that you do? Again, how does being part of the home of the champions inspire you to do your best in everything that you do?
Once again, good evening, everyone. Our institution, the Naga College Foundation, is long known for being a community wherein we build individuals or students